my front door. Y'all think soccer will happen tomorrow? Yeah, me either.
Heavy snow and rain falling all over southern Vermont and New Hampshire was caused by a low-pressure system moving north along the east coast, colliding with cold air that has been sweeping across the northern United States over the previous few days. Snow is expected to continue through Saturday afternoon, with lingering snow showers in northern Vermont and New Hampshire through Sunday. Alaska, another wet winter storm brings heavy snow and strong winds to the south-central region, several days behind Anchorage's record snowfall last week. Schools in the Central Kenai Peninsula will operate with a 2-hour delay this morning to give workers more time to clear side roads. Municipal bus service is resuming today after people. Mover announced it would send buses back to Anchorage roads. The company said in an online notice that customer service will open at 8:30 a.m. and asked the public to expect delays and detours as buses travel on snowy roads. Anchorage has received 29.6 inches of snow in the past 8 days. The city last saw that much snow in just over a week in February 1996, when 44.3 inches fell in the same time frame.